2023年最新上映的《饥饿游戏》终于来了，全新的游戏规则和震撼的机关陷阱，让参赛者们唯一的希望就是活下来。而整个游戏的策划者，更是一位让人闻风丧胆的恶魔。
I have summoned you all here for the 10th annual reaping ceremony, in which we choose 2 children from each district to fight to the death in the Hunger Games.
From District 12, Lucy Gray-Baird.
该片讲述了18岁的斯诺被选为第10届饥饿游戏的导师，需要指导来自第12区的贫困女孩露西，在这场夺命竞技中活下去。面对步步是绝境的死亡游戏和眼前看似瘦弱的女孩，斯诺的同情之心难以抑制，二人的命运也无可避免地交织在一起。当活下去的欲望与所遵守的规则背道而驰，命运的齿轮紧抓入自己手中时，他又该如何抉择
？There has been a change this year. As a mentor, Mr. Snow, your role is to turn these children into spectacles, not survivors.
I have a message for President Snow. You can torture us and bomb us and burn our districts to the ground. But do you see that? Fire is catching. And if we burn, you burn with us.